Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. First things first, if you're coming from lesson 1, go on ahead and close out the original tab. Then click New and save it, otherwise click File and Save to start the new project. In this lesson, we'll go over how to display numbers on the screen and their operators. Let's first start how to print a number out on the screen. Type print, place a number within the parentheses, and then hit enter. Alright, moving on to perform addition, we place a number within the parentheses and place an addition symbol between them. Please don't forget to hit enter. Next up, subtraction. Same concept as addition, except we use the minus symbol. Moving on to division, we use the / symbol to do this operation. Now we approach the interesting part of this video. To perform multiplication, you use 1 asterisk. To use exponents, to raise a power to a number, you use 2 asterisks. Thank you for watching.